Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you 11 Windows shortcut you don't know. Press Windows plus W to open widgets as like weather, news, etc. Windows plus A to open quick settings for Wi-Fi, brightness, etc. Press Windows plus N to open notification and calendar. Press Windows plus H, start voice typing. Press Windows plus V, open clipboard history. Press Windows plus Ctrl plus D to create virtual desktop. Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC to open Task Manager instantly. Press Windows plus L to lock your PC quickly. Press Windows plus period or Windows plus semicolon to open emoji and symbol picker. Press Windows plus K to open cast menu. It connected to wireless display or audio. Press Windows plus Ctrl plus Q to open Quick Assist. That's it. If you all like this video, please like and subscribe this channel. Thank you.